If you are a married couple and you've been having trouble trying to figure out like where could we find a maternity photographer that works best for us, I want to give you 3 places really quick that you can find a maternity photographer at. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, and I am an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to give you 3 quick resources, 3 quick places or platforms you can use to find a maternity photographer that aren't Google. The first place to find a maternity photographer is TikTok search. All you have to do is go on TikTok, type in the city that you're in, maternity photographer. So Chicago, maternity photographer. Detroit, maternity photographer. Louisiana, maternity photographer. And TikTok is literally like the Google for videos. So you can literally see all the different videos and maternity photographers and watching them post. And you can find a maternity photographer that you like by looking at their content, seeing what type of photos they post, and so many different things. You can literally see the inside of their photography business, right? See them in action, see their work, see how they create. TikTok search is a great way to find a maternity photographer. The second way I would recommend you find a maternity photographer is Instagram hashtags. So literally all you have to do is go on Instagram, type in the same thing you typed on TikTok, but just put a hashtag in front of it. Hashtag Detroit maternity photographer, hashtag Houston maternity photographer, hashtag Michigan, let's go Chicago maternity photographer. And although it's not like TikTok where you see videos, you can see pictures and videos as well of different maternity photographers. But it's important that you check their websites and check their Instagram's accounts to see where they are located, because photographers typically use other maternity photographer hashtags from different cities to reach more people. So it's very important that you check that before you go ahead and reach out to them and book with them to see if that works for you. And last but not least, the third way you can find a maternity photographer is what you're doing now. You're on YouTube right now looking for a maternity photographer, looking at maternity photographer, content from maternity photographer, which is me. So a lot of maternity photographers who are really looking to help you in your maternity photo shoot journey, they post YouTube videos that you can watch on YouTube and learn information about maternity photo shoot. And this usually is the people who are experts in maternity photo shoots and can really help you. So honestly, the people that provide education, which is value to you about a maternity photo shoot on YouTube, they are probably like the best candidates. And I'm not boosting, but just someone who takes the time out to provide education is very valuable. And you may want to look into booking them, because you will probably find someone that you love. And I want to help you, right? I want to help you create a maternity photo shoot idea for your own pregnancy shoot. That's why I'm going to give you my free idea board that I've created with over 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and I'll send it right over to you.